What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to talk about one of the best exchanges out there for trading derivatives, which is Tapbit. Now, you may have heard of them. They have been launched since 2021 in November, previous cycles ago, so they've already experienced many bull markets. And now I want to share with you my experience on Tapbit and give you an overview and a tutorial how to trade and hopefully make some profit this bull market on Tapbit. As always guys, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. So first of all, we can see the exchange is extremely clean and very easy to use. I'll start to give you a bit of a tutorial in just a few minutes, but I want to first of all talk about Tapbit, their future projections, and how they're going to shape out for this bull market. So first of all, I would recommend going and following them over on Twitter. They have a very nice Twitter following which is growing by the thousands every single month. I follow them on Twitter and it's the best way to see all the latest updates. Also, they have a lot of press about them as well. For example, right here, Tapbit launches global partner program unlocking new opportunities for Web3 enthusiasts. This was at Token 2049 a few months back, which I attended. Also right here, Tapbit CEO Lucas had an interview, a rising year of development and challenges. So they're constantly striving to develop new features for you as a trader. And of course, right here, they announced new security upgrades and user experience enhancements. So we know that if we are going to be trading on Tapbit, they're always striving for the best possible trading experience. And that's why I wanted to bring you them today. So first of all, let's go ahead and take a look at them. I have in fact made a deposit right here of around 15K. I'm going to be trading with them in today's video, showing you just how simple and easy it is, opening up some long positions. Hopefully the market will be favorable, and we're going to get into more detail with that. So first of all, once you've made your account, there is a link down below. You can go ahead and make your account, and on the screen right now I'm going to be showing all the deposit bonuses available. If you go ahead and join using my link down below, of course you're going to be helping out the channel, but you're going to be getting the best possible deposit bonus as well. So by doing that, you're going to enable yourself to have a good head start when it comes to trading on Tapbit and hopefully make some profit. Once you've done that, simply go over here and click deposit. Once you've clicked deposit, all you have to do is go ahead and select which token you want to deposit. If it's USDT, Bitcoin, whatever it is from another exchange or ledger, Tracer, or if it's MetaMask, whatever it may be, you can simply deposit on here. Once you've got your deposit, you simply want to go to your assets overview, and most likely it will be in your spot account. So once you have this money in your spot account, you then want to go ahead and transfer. Click this transfer button right here and transfer it to derivatives. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer 1,000 into derivatives for the purpose of today's video and enter a trade. So now we go over to perpetual right there, and we can see I have 1,000 USDT in there ready to trade. So before we get into the trading side of it, I just want to show you a couple of features that they have, because this is what people are getting very excited for over on Tapbit. So first of all, we see this copy trading feature right here. As you know, copy trading is extremely popular for new traders and experienced traders that maybe don't have the time to enter the trades. As you know, we're going into a bull market right now, so it's possibly one of the best times to start copy trading, simply because when the market's trending upwards, it's a lot easier for the people hosting the copy trading accounts to make profit. Therefore, it's a lot easier for you following them to make profit as well. And we can see right here, for example, let's just take this example here of Finder. I'm not saying go ahead and copy this trader. I have not fully analyzed it. Of course, do your own research before copying any different trader out there. There are many different ones you can choose for. You can show the analysis right there. And we can see right now they've got almost a maximum of 300 follows. They've made 369 trades, trading for 43 days, and they've got $1.37 million assets under management. We can see right here the ROI is over 545%, the P&L over 149 USDT, and the P&L for followers is $37,500. The win rate is 100% with 35 winning trades in the past 7 days, which is absolutely staggering. So you can see there's a lot of information right here, and you can go ahead and follow one of these traders. And Tapbit actually also have a zero slip feature as well, when you can go ahead and invest in a copy trader, and there'll be zero slips when you are buying that. So it makes it a lot easier. You can buy at the correct entry prices as well, because if they have a large following, a lot of people are buying, there can be some slippage, whereas Tapbit completely eliminates that, and it makes it a much easier place. Also, don't forget that they have grid trading as well. If you are into grid trading, you can go ahead and watch the tutorials there, confirm the acknowledgement right there, and they have grid trading right here. So for example, if it's your first time, I would recommend you viewing the tutorials right there and understanding it. If you'd like another video on grid trading, or in fact on copy trading, let me know down below in the comments and I'll be happy to do that. We can see right here Dodge perp right there, long 10x, estimated ROI 39%. We can see Dodge right there. We can go ahead and change this to Bitcoin, for example, right there. We can see the Bitcoin perp right there, long 5x. Grid quantity 4 and duration 388 days, 4 hours, so plus 12.88 ROI. You can go ahead and change this for multiple different things. For example, if you wanted to do Ethereum right there, we can see multiple different ones for Ethereum. And of course, the more volatile the coin or token, for example, if it's a meme coin, we can see right here, Dogecoin is 39%. However, if we go to Bitcoin, it's going to be 12% estimated ROI. So of course, the more volatile, the more profit you can make. But of course, there's more risk. So it really depends on your risk appetite when it comes to that. Of course, also, they do have an affiliate program as well if you were interested in that. So if you wanted to join the affiliate program, you can simply click on this right here. And if you have an audience as well, you can go ahead and share that with them and make some money on the side for that as well. So now let's get into the USDT perpetual. This is something very, very interesting for me. As you know, I've been trading for many years across many different bull markets, and I think Tapbit could be a great exchange to trade on this bull market. So we can see right here a very, very simple overview. I'm sure if you're watching this, you traded on other exchanges before, and maybe you want to move your trading and your funds to Tapbit. First of all, at the top corner, we have the coin, which we can select if we want to trade something else, just like I did on the grid box. It's exactly the same over here. We've got the current price right here, the market price, the index price, the funding right there, and the countdown to the next funding. We're at the high and the low 24-hour volume right there as well. Everything very easy to see. Right here we have a trading view integration, which is the best and easiest to use in my opinion. Super easy to use. I don't need to go over that. It is super simple. Right here we have the order book, and one thing I want to talk about the order book is they have a very, very good order book compared to other exchanges. Although other exchanges may have more users, their order book on Tapbit is extremely good, and that's what gives me a lot of confidence to trade on them. For example, if we pull up this right here, we can see that if we pull up this right here, for example, let's take a look at this liquidity comparison of perpetual contracts. So this is for XRP. So if we look right here, there is around 49,000 right there and 82,000 right there. They have a massive depth of liquidity, and we can see right here on BitGet, we can see 12.6k and 2.7k. I mean, they have got literally 5 to 10 times more liquidity than other exchanges using this comparison. Blowfin as well, way more. And BingX, they've got almost double BingX as well. So you can see the liquidity is massive. We take a look at Dogecoin right there. We can see 126K, 128K. We can see right here 116 and around 6k, much more liquidity right there than these exchanges. And of course, on this example right here, comparing Bybit and OKX, we can see right here, this is Bitcoin, 12.3 Bitcoin, 11.6, 6.6 and 0.1. Of course, this is subject to change. It depends on the market and the liquidity available, but we can see right here there is a massive depth of liquidity. So if you are a trader, if you are a whale and want to trade with large amounts of Bitcoin, 10 or more at a time, then definitely Tapbit has the liquidity for you to do that. So it gives you a lot of confidence. First of all, I want to enter most likely a long position. I mean, I'm usually entering long positions. I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. I want to add the 4 hour as well. I like trading on the 4 hour. We can see most likely we had a low right there. I'm going to enter a long position right here. I'm going to target a short-term target of 60k. So all we have to do right here is go over to the leverage right there, and you can see you can go up to 150x leverage long and short on this. I'm going to select isolated right there, and I'm going to continue with 10x leverage. I'm going to go right here, and I like to enter on market price. You can do a limit price if you wanted to wait for a pullback, or if you wanted to short, you'd wait until this, see if it retested this 58k range and then short it. I'm going to go ahead and enter a market for the purpose of today's video. I'm going to do 100%, so 10x, $1,000 is going to be $10,000 trade, and I'm going to simply click open long position. I'm going to click open long position, and then we can see right there the margin used $985, entry price right there, and we can see right there 0.172 BTC. I'm in the trade right now. I'll let this play out. Most likely I'll update you in a future video in a couple of days, and let's hope that this trade does well. Let's take a look at some of the examples right here. So first of all, we see 10x Bitcoin perp. It is an isolated trade. We can see the available holdings, the entry price, the margin, and we can also go and adjust this as well. If we wanted to adjust the margin, take some out or add some, we can do that as well. When we make some profit, we can go ahead and share this as well. Of course, I just entered the trade, so it's going to take a little bit of time. It is a longer term trade, not a short term trade. We can then see the realized profit right there. The liquidation price, 51K. So I probably should be pretty good on this. And we can see right here, if we want to flash close it, we can instantly close it, which a lot of exchanges don't have. You can instantly close it right there. We have add, take profit and stop loss right there. Pretty explanatory if you wanted to go ahead and do that or close the partial position. And over here right there, we have the stop loss and take profit, which will in fact display once it shows it once we've added a take profit or stop loss. So that's the overview for this. I think it's going to be a nice trade in my opinion if we will go ahead and touch this $64,000. If you did want to go ahead and trade on Tapbit, guys, again, I think it's a really good platform to be trading on. I'm going to be trading on it over the next few months during this bull market. They are constantly having different new incentives. So right there we can see, for example, we can earn 100 APY on iCat right there. We have multiple different things, new listings coming. We can see they have trading competitions with $100,000 USDT airdrop right there. They're always having new promotions. They've got an app as well. I have in fact downloaded the app on my phone. It's super easy to use. And yeah, overall, I would recommend checking out the bonus tasks as well. Once you've made your account down below using my link, of course, you're going to get that special bonus, which I talked about earlier. And I really recommend taking a look at this, because you can get $320 USDT bonus with ease, and of course more from using my link down below. Thanks so much for watching today's video, guys. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and join Tapbit using the link down below, and I'll catch you in the next one.